YouTube didn't just change my life, it transformed my entire 2024 in less than 6 months. From struggle to breakthrough, here's everything you need to know about my journey on YouTube and how you can start your own content today, your channel today. In this video, I'm sharing you why I started my YouTube channel, the struggle, the lesson, and how it all made me a better creator on YouTube, plus some insider tips on editing tips, editing tricks you want to see. Number 1, why I started my YouTube channel. I started my YouTube journey on April 1st, 2024, and today is September 28th, 2024. I originally thought I was in just for the money. Like I was in like I want to make money. That was how I was starting to like, okay, I want to make money fast, no time. But I got it, subscriber, they help you. I learned that YouTube is about so much more than just the money. There's much more to learn on YouTube than the money. I wanted to document my life, share funny stories, my childhood memories, and of course, throw some crazy advice here and there. But here's the deal. YouTube forced me to go beyond just making money. It pushes me to educate, enlighten, and connect people who think just like me or think just like you. The best part about YouTube is meeting amazing creators like my friend Khaled Floyd and Ivy's channel. Shout out to Khaled Floyd for the amazing products review you usually do. They are awesome. And if you aren't following her, go and check out her product review. She reviews product and she's not in Nigeria. And my other friend is Ivy's channel. She does tutorial, and those tutorials that keeps me going. Number 2, what it takes to start up a YouTube channel. Basically nothing. You need nothing than just your smartphone. Or wait, do you think you need an expensive gadget to start up a YouTube channel? No. All you need is your smartphone. I'm currently shooting on my Samsung A24, and I started YouTube without a microphone or even studio light. Don't let anyone deceive your community that you need an expensive gadget to start. You need big microphone, you need big camera, you need studio light, you need tripod, you need this one, you need that one. No. Or you need good background. No. But it's not bad if you have them. Yes, it's nice to have them, but trust me, you can get creative with what you just have, which is your smartphone. One tip that I'm going to share is that CapCut is a lifesaver. Like CapCut is an application for editing all your video. You can enhance your voice and edit all your video on CapCut. Don't stress yourself about getting expensive gadgets, so you won't get frustrated when you don't see views easily or your channel don't pick up as expected, because you might go spend a lot of money on gadgets thinking it's because my camera is not clear, it's because I don't have good microphone, it's because I don't have this sound. No, your thumbnail and title is what will bring them in. And if you are missing my video, go and watch how I beat the algorithm basically in just 3 minutes. But just focus on creating content, enlightening people, and you will see how the algorithm will favor you. Number 3, what are the challenges I have faced on YouTube? Let's be real with each other. Starting a YouTube channel isn't easy at all. Don't let anybody deceive you that just start, don't worry, 2 weeks. Let's be sincere with you. Getting to 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers is very, very slow, honestly, and sometimes discouraging. Basically, what YouTube wants is consistency plus improvement. There were moments I wanted to quit, especially when I was stuck focusing on too much on numbers of subscribers instead of what really matters, which is improving and inspiring. Story time. When I first started, I thought subscriber was everything, but guess what? Start subscriber, YouTube algorithm will up you as subscriber. No, they watch my content at all. Like I have 2,000 plus subscribers. If you check my life on content, none of them watch that content to 500. Inspiring people and creating valuable content is what matters the most. Subscriber will come as a result of that, not the other way around.